And then, it suddenly rained again ug ni-full blast na gyud. So, for everyone's safety, everything was stopped to prevent any accident. So, halos-halos gyud tanan mi nangabasa. Outfit check, gyapon nagbasa. Despite of the rain, the energy never faded. Pagbalik namo kay ni-perform na lang ang Cup of Joe using only sa ilahang guitar na as if bagihara na mi. Charot!
Sige, isa pa. Sabayan niyo mga kamay. Sing!
So even though they didn't perform with those drums, light effects, the experience was still totally worth it. So time check, it's 1:21 a.m. We're heading home carrying the best experience from Fusion 10. Thanks Fusion 10 for a blast and unforgettable experience. See ya next year!